What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some rear canards for the rear bumper, okay? Let's do it. Okay guys, the Corolla is right there. So let me show you where the canards are going. I'm gonna put them under here. I already have this, but those you can put it here. Even if you don't have this, you can put it under here. So let me show you the part. Okay guys, these are the canards. I got the carbon fiber look. Yeah, these are the plastic is very thin, but it's still alright. It's just for the looks, okay? You can see it right here. They come with two of them and with the screws. But I'm not gonna use the screws because I don't want to make the holes on my bumper. I am only gonna use a double-sided tape. I'm gonna put double-sided tape here and double-sided tape in here. All right. So I like this one. This one, the price is very good. It's around $20, $22 with the shipping, or 23 around that. And you can get the black ones too, or you can wrap them in the color of your car. This is very cheap and it will look cool. So let's install this on the car. Okay guys, I had to go to AutoZone to get more double-sided tape. I thought I had some extra on my garage, but no, I had to get more. So let's go and get some extra double-sided tape. Let's go. Alright guys, now we're ready. This is the one I got. It's a 3M double-sided tape. This one is the best one, but it's not cheap. There's another one cheaper, but it's not as stronger as this one. So I like this one better, alright? So I'm gonna use this one because this one is the best double-sided tape. So, but I'm gonna put a link on the description of the video for this one. You wanna get at this one, or go to AutoZone, you can get it there too. Alright, so let me show you how I want to do this. So I'm going to put the double-sided tape, and I'm gonna put this. Yes. Alright, so this is very easy. Alright, so let's put the double-sided tape first. added one more strip of double-sided tape, just in case. Okay, so this one, just for, I don't want this thing to fly, alright, on the freeway. Okay guys, this looks amazing. I love it. You can see it right there. It's very cheap and it makes the bumper look like a little bit more aggressive. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard to see it on the camera. You can see it like here. Yes, here you can see it. It makes this one longer, like this sticking out. I love it. It's amazing. You can see the other side. Yeah. Wow. This is the carbon look. It has like a look of carbon fiber, but it's not carbon fiber, right? So it's a plastic. The plastic is not that thick, okay? It's thin plastic. But for the price, I think it's very good. They look great. They're pretty cheap. They're around 20 something, 22 bucks. But you have to get the double-sided tape, and that one is like $10 more. All right. Okay, now let's see how this thing looks outside. All right, so let's go outside in the sun. For me, it's gonna be tomorrow. For you guys, a couple of seconds. Okay, so now let's see how this one looks in the sun. Okay guys, those are the real spoiler Canards. They look great. They have like a fake carbon fiber look. They look great. They're made of plastic. I love them. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. And please, if you like the video, like the video. The link is gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this, okay? Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.